现在就开始了。
对。
产品就开始。
开始吗？
是吗？
开始吗？
等一下啊。开始吗？开始吗？Hello, this is George from Rehome Pipeline. Welcome to our lecture, and today I'm talking for our main products like PPR and HDP and our fittings. Yeah. First, we are introduced our company. Our company name is Shanghai Ruihe Enterprise Co. Limited Group, and we are established in 2002. And so we have a very long history for 20 years, I think. So, so we are first product is PPR products, and the next is HDP products, and third is PVC, and yeah. So we are talking for the company. So we are established for 2002, and the next year we are putting the PPR products into the production line, and we are selling for our domestic market. Yes, and also we also have many distributor in our local market. Yeah. And also we have many next year we are also putting the HTTP products, and our product standard, we can see the ISO standard and Germany standard and other standard like British standard. Yeah. So in China market for the PPR products, we are used normally for the white color, and the green color we are in for the green color we are selling for the foreign countries, international market. Yeah. And also we are for the PPR. Also we have a blue color. So blue color we are selling in the British market. Brazil market. Yeah. And next is our HDP pipe and fittings. Also we have ISO standard and New Zealand and Australian standard, like the same for the and DIN Germany standard. And also we have many types of the fittings, like socket fusion fittings and butt fusion fittings, and electrical fusion fittings and PP fittings. Yeah. So in our screen, you can see the you can see this is our factory, and you can see this is our gate, factory gate, and our reform brand. Yeah, and other is this is our Chinese name of Shanghai River 企业集团. Yeah, and this is our office, factory of or the office of the factory, and yeah, this is our employees. Yeah, and this is our production manager. And this is our sample room, and this is our sample room, and this is our certificate, and this is for the PPR, how connecting for the PPR, hot and cold water system. And next is this is our history of the very important years for our history. Yeah. So showing our customers, our many, I think is many meaningful point of our history. Yeah. We are getting for the PPR pipeline machine. Yeah, for the 2004. Yeah. And this is our domestic certificate and our international certificate, and also have a SDS parts test company. Yeah. Yes, this is our PPR for the many colors, like blue color, like blue color, like green color, like gray color, like white color, and also have two layers of the pipe, PPR pipe here. And you can see this is for the yellow color and purple color. Yeah. Yes, and this is for the fitting of different colors, like for the PPR, this is PPR, this is for the yeah, this is the green color. Yeah, this is for our HDP soft fusion fittings. And yeah, and this is our machine. Yeah, machine for the yes, for the machine, and you can see this is for stock for the HDP pipe, and this is for the fittings. We have 22 PPR fittings, and this is our PPR pipe line machine, and we have 8. Yeah. And this is our material of the PPR. Yeah. Also, we have a domestic brand, and also have a international brand of the material if our if our customer need it. Yes, this is for the material mixed with the color and value. Yeah. And this is the material of the PPR. Yeah. And you different color and you. Yeah. Great. Yes. So we are melting for the mix of the material and the color value, and we also have it's very hot for the temperature of the PPR needed 20, I think 230 degrees.
有买家进入直播间了。
Yes, for the PPR material, so for the PPR production, we are cooling and we are marking for the PPR. Yeah. And also we have a technical manager to test and to test the PPR pipe and the thickness if it qualifies. Yes, and also we need a package, and we are take to the warehouse for the stock. Yeah. So we have many stock. If our customer needed a small quantity, we can do it. We can sell it for it to you. And this is for the fitting of the machine of the for the fittings. And this is the automatic machine of the PPR fittings. It's very no need of man workers to do it, to cut the pipe, cut the fittings. Yeah. It's very, I think it's very environmental. Yeah. And also we are checking. We are tested the fittings, yeah. PPR fittings. And this is for the model here. And this is for the Hdp workshop. And you can see this we are producing the PRT and Hdp also we can do for the roll coal and road as well. Hdp for the 100 meter per hour and 115 meter per hour and 200 meter per hour and 300 meter per hour. And PRT, you can see the block car. Yeah. And this is our technical and office. Yeah. I also need to test the material. Also need to test the fitting sample of the fittings. Yes, this is for the material. And this is welcome to our new customer to watch our live show. And this is for the pressure to how to test if we can do good quality. Yeah. And this you can see the Hdp workshop. Yeah. And okay, we are looking for the country. Okay, we also have many pressure of the PPR pipe. So we have four series. You can see PN10, PN12.5, and PN16, and PN20. Yes, our purple color and orange color is good sales of the top sales of in our domestic pipe. Yeah. Yes, you can see. This is for the PPR for the orange color. Yeah, it's very beautiful. Yes, for the size, you can see 25 and 32. They are in the used in the mostly used in the our indoor. Yeah. For the other big size like 40 to 160, they are used for the outside of the door. Yeah. So we have used the threaded is the BSP thread for the PPR. Yeah. And we are also for the brass for the fittings. Yeah. You can see for the fittings brass. And the PN10 and the PN12.5 is for the cold water, and the PN16 and the PN20 is for the hot water. Yes, hot water.
有买家进入直播间了。
Yes, welcome our new customer to watch our company. Yeah, watch our live view. Yeah. And also we also have an NPT 30, but is in for the American standard. Yes, and if our customer place the order, you need to confirm the 30 if it is BSP or NPT. Yeah. Yes, and next I will introduce our PPR. For PPR,
有买家进入直播间了。
yes, you can see for the yes, you can see this is for our PPR fittings like maybe like PPR union, PPR stock wall. And you can see this is our PPR coupling and PPR reducing T and PPR 45-degree elbow and PPR end cap and PPR 90-degree elbow and PPR female threaded T. And also our PPR male threaded T. And PPR reducing coupling. Yeah. And you can see PPR male threaded elbow and the PPR female threaded coupling, and the PPR male threaded coupling, and the PPR screw end, and the PPR female threaded elbow, and the PPR male threaded elbow with disc, and the PPR male threaded union, and the PPR female threaded union, and the PPR unequal elbow, and the PPR breathing. And also our PPR union and our PPR expansion pipe clamp and PPR flange adapter. Yeah, it's all plastic and all plastic badge PPR, and also PPR stop wall. Yeah, you can see this is all PPR stop wall. Yes, for the PPR stop wall and reducing T, yeah. And also PPR double end wall and the PPR flat pipe clamp and the PPR Q tap clamp. Yeah. and PPR female threaded and union, yeah, and the double female threaded elbow, yeah, and quick connecting elbow and quick connecting coupling, and the brass ball valve and the stop valve with a crown handle, and the male single and the valve, and the female single and the valve, yeah, and the flat pipe clamp, and repairing stick, and PPR saddle, and welding machine, and PPR cutter, and welding die, and welding saddle model, and the repairing stick model. Yes, just talking for the PPR fittings. Yeah. You can see for the PPR. First, I will for the introduce for the samples of the PPR pipe. You can see this is for our PPR sample for the PPR pipe. You can see DN25 plus 4.2 meter is PN20 for the pipe. It's very thick. You can see the pipe, and you can see the brand, the Rehome, and our material PPR, yeah, and as a 2.5. Take a look for our customer. And this is our domestic market of the pipe, orange color, yeah. And also for the length of our sample, 20 centimeter, yeah, 20 to 30 centimeter. Okay, next is a white color. You can see the marking. You can see the PN20 and DIN or ISO. DIN, yes. DIN, yeah. DIN is Germany. And our material, yeah. And our size and thickness is very, I think, marking is necessary for this information, yeah. Yes. And next, oh yes, this is for our PPR pipe and fitting with fitting connecting, yes, with welding machine, yeah, socket welding machine. You can see the 20 way, the elbow with the pipe, yeah. Take a look. Yes, you can see it's very tightly and no prevent the water liquid. Yeah. So welding is very, I think, is very good. It's very good for us to have a risk for the liquid. Yeah. Yes. Okay. And just I am talking for the PPR pipe, and next I will talking for the PPR or plastic fittings. Yes, you can see for this is a T. You can see the PPR material and as 2.5 and the 20 to 20 plus 20 25 plus 20. And is for the called the unequal T. Yeah, this is for the 25. Yeah, this is for the 25. This is for the 20. Yeah, we are also called the inner diameter for the size like 25 is inner diameter. Yeah, inner diameter is 20. Yeah. Yes. Take a look. 你把那个标 Yes, you can see for our marking on it. Yes, and our you can see our brand is very can do, and also we can OEM. Yes, if you are very good quantity, many big quantity for this, we also do your brand OEM for you. Yeah, if you are needed. And next is our coupling. Yes, coupling is you can see for the this is for the 25. Yeah, it's Rehome is our brand, and our PPR material and the DN25. Yes, okay. And next is our 90-degree elbow. Yeah, 90-degree elbow. Yeah. Okay. And next is our end cap. I think it's very easy, and you can see it's a 20 millimeter. And next is our union. Yeah, female union. Yes, female union. Female threaded. Yes, union with brass. Okay. Next is our PPR 32 plus one half over 1 inch. Yes, yes, it's very heavy, and our quality is very good. It's very smooth, and you can see. Yeah, take a look. Yes, next is our ball valve. Yeah, ball valve. Yes, you can see on and off. Yes, you can see. This is our ball valve. Take a look. And the next is our stop valve. Yeah, you can see for the stop valve at 20. Yeah, 20 stop valve. Yeah, you can see for the green color and yes. Yes, and the stop valve. Yeah, stop valve, and also we have a double female and female elbow. Yeah, you can see it's very good. You can see for this is a very strange fittings in our PPR fittings. I think you can see for the size is 25. Yeah, and one half of 1 inch. Yes, yes, you can see for this. It's very uh, it's very long. I think. So our quality is very, I think, is very good, you can see check the pipe or other things. You can see for the pipe, you can see is the layer inner layer is very smooth. You can see very good quality. Yeah, because raw material is made of it is very smooth inner layer. Yes. Yeah. Okay. Next is we are introduced for our HDP. Yes. For the HDP, you can see. Okay. Just we are talking. You can see for the cold water or hot water. Yes, and only we are talking next part is our HDP. You can see the cold water supply. Yeah, it's very important for you. For the size, you can see for PPI is 20 millimeter to 160 millimeter. Yeah, and the next is 120 for the HDP size range from 16 millimeter to our 1,600 millimeter. Yes, for the big size, yeah. bigger than our PBR. And you can see is our HDP pipe with a blue strip. Yes, for they are meaning for the cold water, yeah, cold water or drinking water. Yes, take a look. You can see for the four strip, blue strip in each. And also we are also in marking for it like HDP material and SDR 11 or MPN 16, and the size like 25 and the thickness 2.3, and ISO 4427 is our ISO standard, and other standard if you are needed, if you can see is Australian or New Zealand standard here. Okay. Yes, welding machine, yeah, is very important. And I can see for one by one for coupling. You can see the coupling and 45-degree elbow and 90-degree elbow and reducing T and equal T. Yes, and the male T and reducing coupling and the cap and the flange ring and male elbow and female elbow and male union and female T and flange adapter and yes, flange adapter. Yes, flange ring is steel. Yeah, it's steel. For the HP is steel and the female adapter and the stop wall and the female union and the male adapter. Yeah. Reducing coupling and the 90-degree elbow and reducing T and 45-degree elbow and T and the cap and the flange adapter and the cross and flange ring. Yeah. And this is for the butt welding, butt fusion fittings. Yeah. Just it's for socket fusion fitting. Yes, it is for the electrical fusion fittings. Also, we have a cap, the degree elbow, and the T, and the reducing T, and reducing coupling, and the coupling, and 45 elbow. Yeah. Yes, just we are talking for. Also, we have a strange fittings like 45 laterality for the 45-degree and 60 degree for the T and 90Y, YG, and YT, and also have a reducing coupling, and also we have a big pressure rate like PN20 for the fittings. Yeah, also we have a 90-degree elbow. It's very need 3 pipes, and also we have a 45 elbow. Yes, also 22.5 and 11.25-degree elbow. Yeah. It's a equal cross and 90-degree elbow and 45-degree elbow. Yeah, and reducing T. Yeah, reducing T. Yeah. For this, is you can see if we don't have one shape of the fittings, we also need it for this for the welding. Yeah, for welding. Yes, this is for the coupling and the female elbow and the reducing coupling and the female T and 90-degree elbow and the T and male T and the cap and male adapter and the male elbow and the reducing T and the female adapter. You can see this is for the PP. PP, yeah. PP is very easy to connect the pipe and fittings. They are different ways from the soft fusion fitting, bath fusion fitting, and electrical fusion fitting. Also, it is different. Yes, you can see for the welcome our new friend to view our live show. Yeah. And you can see this is for our socket fusion fittings for HDP. Yeah. And you can see this is for the end cap and coupling. Yes, and just like the marking is like for the very like the you can see the P and SDI11 and elbow. Yeah, you can see. Yeah, take a look. And you can see the reducing coupling and coupling and end cap. Yes, okay. Next is our 45-degree elbow. Yeah, and this is for our equal T. Yes. Take a look for the brand for the brand for the marking. Yeah. Yes, for the socket fusion, just I talk the size is in the diameter. Yeah, in the diameter, and also like the electrical fusion fittings. Like this is for the 50 millimeter. Yeah. Yes, you can see this is for the electrical fusion fittings. Yes. Also, we are talking for just we are for the PPR fittings. They are also for the socket fusion for the HDP for the welding machine. Yeah, they can do it, but the electrical fusion fittings they need the electrical fusion machine. Yeah, it's different machine. Yeah, and also we have just for the butt fusion fittings. It's also needed the butt welding machine. Yeah, butt welding machine is different machine. So this is for the electrical coupling. Yeah. For 20 size. Yeah, 20 size. And this is for the flange adapter. Yes, flange adapter. You can see. Yes, and you can see also this is the steel, carbon steel flange ring. Yeah, it's very big. It is very heavy. Yeah, for this. Yes, you can see this is a yes, this is a butt fusion fitting. Butt fusion fitting for the soft fusion fitting, they are like the PPR, like 20 millimeter to 110. Yeah, and our butt fusion is very big for the 50 millimeter to 100 and 1,600 millimeter. Yeah, it's very big size. And just for the T, this is for the 90 millimeter and the SPI level. Yeah, as you can take a look. Yes, and next is our PP fittings. PP fittings, they no need the welding machine. Yeah, and you can see it's different colors like dark blue and the light blue. And the light blue is the pressure is bigger than our dark blue. Yeah. This is a PN16 and PN10. This is for the PN10. This is for the PN16. Yes, it's very clear. Yeah, yes, and take a look. And distinguish for our customer to choose PN16 and PN10. Yeah. For the dark blue is PN10 and light blue is PN16. Yeah. And yes, and you can see yes, okay. And okay, next is our we are test for the our fittings. You can see first is our 20 millimeter degree elbow. Yeah, for the PPR. Yeah, it's the net weight is 18.6 gram. Yeah, and the next is 20 end cap. This is for the 7.4 millimeter gram. Yeah, and the next is a coupling for the 25. Yeah, so net weight is 18.8 grams. And the next is our female thread adapter. Yeah, for the 32. Yeah, the net weight is 63.6. Yes, it's very heavy, I think. And the next is our ball valve for the 20. For the 25, 20. For the ball valve is 88.9. Yeah, 88.9. Yeah, for the very. Next is our stop valve for the stop valve for the 20. Yeah, the 20. Yes, the net weight is 206 gram. Yeah. And the next is our for the HDP fittings, like the male adapter. Yes, for the size is. Oh, the size is 25. Yeah, 25. Yeah, is a male adapter and 74.6 millimeter gram. Yeah. And male union, yeah, for the 20, yeah, male union is 72.4, yes, 72.4, and our butt fusion fittings is butt fusion fitting for the size is 90 millimeter, and SDI 11, yeah, for the PN16. And the net weight is 785.6 gram. Yeah. Yes, and next is our PP fittings. This is for the PP fittings,
有买家进入直
and
播间了。
for the 20, yeah, 20. And for the elbow, yes, it's 63.2 millimeter, yes. And for the steel flange ring, and the weight is 913.9 gram. Yeah, it's very heavy. Yes, it's very heavy. And next is our and the P pipe. Yes, you can see this is for our PP pipe, and this is for the locking nut, and this is for the clinching, and this is for the bushing, and O-ring. Yes, it is O-ring. Yeah, O-ring. Yes. Yes, you can see clinching, looking at the clinching, O-ring, and bushing. Yeah, bushing in it.
有买家进入直播间了。
Yes, and this is for the PE pipe. Yeah. And how to connect is very usual. 1 minute to connect, and give me 1 minute, and I will. Yes, we are just for the talking for our products, and also we have many big projects and the solution for our projects for our domestic market and our international market. For the first is our domestic for the Disneyland Shanghai Park. Yes, we are located in Shanghai, and our factory also located in Shanghai. And the production project name time is 2016, 13, and 7 to 2016. Yeah, and the location is Shanghai, China. Yeah, and we are making products as PVC conduit pipe and fittings and HDP pipe and fittings. Yeah. And next is our Maldives Anatala Island, yeah, for the hotel project. And the project time is 2014 to 2015, and in Maldives, and also we are making products in HDP pipe and fittings. Yeah. It's very big project, and we are used many about 18 pieces of the 40 high container. Yeah. And also we have next project name is Niger Power Station construction. Yeah, and project time is 2015, and location is Niger, and we are making products is PVC pipe and fittings and HDP pipe and fittings. And next is our Papua New Guinea port program. Yeah, its project time is 2014, and the location is Papua New Guinea, and main products is PVC, HDP pipe, PVR pipe and fittings. Yes. And next is Denmark pavilion for Shanghai Expo, and you can see it's 2009, and we are location in also for Shanghai, China. Yeah, and our main product is HDP water pipe and drainage pipe and fittings, PVC pipe and fittings. Yes, and next is the project name is Doha Qatar Railways and airport engineering, and project time is 2016, 13 and to 2014 years, and the location is Qatar, and the main product is HDP pipe and fittings and PPR pipe and fittings. The size range is 110 and 116 60 and 300 and 355. Yes, this six project is I think is very meaningful for our company, and also we have any other uh, other projects. Yes, so uh, we are have many solution for our customer, for our many and for our we are our main international market like is uh, uh, East Asia and South America. Yeah, it's very it's our main market for our company. Yeah. Yeah, and also we are put many times to our products and our material from our machine, from our other things. We are test the good quality and to our customer, and also ship the before ship. We also have test the pipe and fittings. Yeah. So many customer are satisfied with our pipe and fittings. Yes. Yes. Also, we have a return home, enjoy life. This is our brand reputation for our product. And also we have 100% raw material for the South Korea, for our for Dubai, for our domestic brand. Yeah. Also, we have many 2 years quality guarantee and 60 years life warranty. Yeah, this is our rehome advantages, and also we have a professional manufacturer for 19 years focus on the PPR and HDP pipe fittings for the making. And also we have an international certificate on products and the management like CISO and SGS and RAS. Yeah, RAS. Yeah. And also we have a good service team, outstanding sales and service team. Yeah. Service team. Yeah. And also we have free samples available if you are when the buyer affords the cut. Yeah, it can be reduced from the first order. Yeah, yes, it's very. We have many our advantages. So yeah, and how to be a distributor of our company. Yeah, you can see you are understanding the products field and requirements to be a distributor. So you are wanting to be our distributor. You need to know more about your local market field and also we have further discussion with rehome, yeah. And we are also get connecting with rehome team, yeah, also. And also we are training and meeting and make the agreement, yeah, also needed. Yes, also we are distributor in Philippines and yeah, and Thailand. Yeah, it's very big distributor. Yes, and other cities we don't have many distributor. Yes, so and also we have a test DVGW certificate for the first type for the PPR. Yeah. DVGW is very important in. I think it's very important for the Germany market. I think. Yes. So today we are talking for our company history and PPR products and HDP products, and also we have to experiment of the HDP pipe and fitting and PP fittings, how to connect.
有买家进入直播间了。
Welcome.